How to fix Tinder's new account blocked. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix new account blocked on Tinder. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your new account is blocked on Tinder with error 40341, it likely means that your device or phone number has been flagged for violating Tinder's terms of service or community guidelines. To fix this, you'll have to actually appeal the ban through Tinder's appeal center. So what I recommend you do is simply open your browser, and as soon as you open your browser, just type in Tinder Appeal Center over there. So when you type in Tinder Appeal Center, you'll find appealing a violation and so on. We just go to that particular option. And over here, you can see in the Appeal Center, find the violation you want to appeal and select it. So tap on this little link. And after you've done that, you can follow up with the other instructions and then just try to appeal the ban and see what Tinder has to tell about it. And this way we will be able to fix our new account blocked error on Tinder. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.